1983 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale. She got a set of 20-inch spokes and bows, and she can be purchased with or without the wheels. The flashy wheels not your thing, you can throw the stock ones on and she'll still be a beautiful ride. Frame and floor pans are solid, lower doors are solid, paint is in driver quality condition. She got the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Interior is nice and clean. Y'all love an Oldsmobile. No, it's hard to beat the ride of the Cadillac and the Lincolns, but in my opinion, the Oldsmobile come next. The 98, the 88, the Torontos, they just all ride good. And Oldsmobile had it down pat. As y'all can see, the paint is in good condition. Let's check out that top. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid nice and clean. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Tears nice and clean. Seats in good condition. Headliner. Back seat. Package tray. Mileage is a little over 55,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the stock 307 cubic inch 5-liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. It's got power brakes, power steering, AC, cruise control, all the creature comfort. Let's start her up. Y'all make sure y'all go over and visit rollermuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos. We have financing available. There's no reason for you not to be driving your dream classic. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. That's what we call running like a sewing machine, guys. Don't miss out on her. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.